guys from Sweden living in Gothenburg. Lovely people, actually. Lovely people. I shared some of my story to them. It's interesting because they've been away for the past 6 months, going around to various different countries, especially down in South America. I had the privilege to speak to them to see what they have been up to the last couple of months. Truly an adventure. So today, hang out with my family, especially my cousin comes to Borås this afternoon.